Assalamu alaikum, students. I hope you all will be fine along with your families. Students, our today's topic of learning is question tags. Now, what you have to do is you have to listen the lecture carefully and attempt the activity given at the end on your English grammar copies. Don't forget to write day, date, and your name at the top right corner. Now let's start the lecture. Listen it carefully. Our today's topic is, as I have already told you, question tags. So what are question tags? A question added at the end of a statement is called a question tag. It is used to confirm something or to find out if something is true. For example, my brother borrowed a book from the library, didn't he? Now here we are confirming our statement that whether the brother borrowed the book or he didn't, okay? Fine. The next, how to form the question tags. While forming the question tags, keep in mind the following points. A question tag is joined to the main statement with a comma, okay? After your statement, you have to put on a comma and then write down the question tag. After the comma, we use an auxiliary is, am, are, was, were, do, does, can, should, etc. Auxiliaries are the question words, okay? Agreeing to the tense of the statement. You have to use the auxiliary according to the tense of the statement. If your statement is in present tense, you have to use the present tense auxiliary, okay? After the auxiliary, a pronoun is used. Question mark is used at the end of the question tag. Now let's see the example. Ali is drawing a boat. Okay. Now after the statement, we are going to put on a comma. Boat ke baad comma. Isn't he? Okay. So there is a question mark at the end of the tag. Our next rule is, if the main verb is positive, the tag will be negative. For example, the child is drawing an octopus. Now here's, you see, is drawing. This is a positive verb, okay? So we will use a negative tag. Isn't he? Similarly, if the main verb is negative, the tag will be positive. For example, here you see the child is not drawing an octopus, not drawing, okay? The main verb is in negative form, okay? So our tag will be in positive. Is he? The child is not drawing an octopus. Is he? Okay. Now let's come to the activity. What you have to do, that you have to add the question tag to the statement. She is your sister. So here you see the main verb is positive. You have to add a negative question mark. She is your sister. Isn't she? I have a red cap. Haven't I? She has 3 dogs. Hasn't she? You like to go to the park. You like to go to the park. Here you see there is no auxiliary. We have to add it by ourselves. Like is the present tense, so we will use do over here. Okay, you like to go to the park, don't you? Ali hasn't taken my diary. Ali hasn't taken my diary. Has Ali or has he? He isn't your brother, is he? They fetch water from the mountains. They fetch water from the mountains, don't they? Ali and Hamid do not learn the lesson, do they? Thank you very much, students. Now you have to do it on your copy. and WhatsApp it in your group.